Hey, I'm Fish. Once in a while, occasionally, I take the extra muse out with me hiking. Randomly, I have issues with it, meaning nothing wrong with the camera, but how I, the user, use it. So let's see if it's just me or is everybody else having the same little problem. One, does anybody feel any looseness in the connections? Does it wobble ever so slightly in your hand when you have the attachments on? I don't hear people complaining about that at all. So let's go on to the next one. Do you start your video and start to talk and you find that your beginning of the clip may be clipped off, edited out? You can see that in post on the timeline, that your beginning of the voice is really too close to the beginning, if you know what I mean. So I always give a 5-second count and I forget half the time. So let's go to number 3. Before I go to number 3, oh man, check out this old car. How about every time, like number 3, we have to always adjust down our gimbal. I feel I need to level it every single time. Is it a setting that I'm not used to? That I'm not on follow me or lock me mode or something like that? As I continue to enjoy my camera, learn my camera a little further down the road, does it make me want to go get some other company like an Insta360 Luna Ultra? You can't go get a DJI Pocket 4 Pro. It's not out in the US market unless you import one in. Those are the only things I could think of at the moment. As I ride along, share my story, tell my story. Let me pull on over to the willow tree. Fish, your camera's like this. Well, actually it's like this if I'm looking at it mirror image. And you got it, lens is like this. But why do I see everything still like that? Well, that's the way it shows. Hopefully I am 90 degrees level. Do we have a level in our camera? I don't think so. So what I'm going to go do is, you could say this is part of my highlight talk. I think I'm going to ride along. But before I go, low light in the Insta360 Luna Ultra, I seen not one video, not 2 videos, a number of videos that at nighttime, like an iPhone, I see this little ball reflective off the lens in the center when the light is on the subject. All right, I had to readjust again. That was like, what, number 3 that I mentioned? Here's number 4. 4. You know, have you ever found yourself hitting the record button and it's actually stopping your video? And then you're doing your shoot and you come back, you hit the record to stop your video. It actually started the video. So everything that you've done, you're just showing the after effect, the aftermath. Yeah, I've done that more than once, more than twice, like 33% of the time. So I'm thinking out loud. Man, I got a Sony ZV-1F, a Sony ZV-1 Mark II. Should I just get rid of them and get myself a Luna Ultra? I don't know, Fish. What if you ever want to use that camera? Well, you know something? I'll tell you right now when I pull on over. Sometimes I can't hear the beeps, can't feel the buzz. I guess I'm losing all my senses. Well, I'm going to hold on to my cameras because the Extra Muse today still does live streaming, webcam. The Luna Ultra doesn't do live stream today. but maybe tomorrow it'll do. It is what it is, man. We release the basic cameras and we work on getting all these extras in there. One day, maybe a company like Extra, which is doing it, they don't have any updated firmwares with the Extra Muse. They only have one update to add a DJI mic in, nothing more. This camera is basically fully updated. Will you see another update for this camera? I don't think so. Can we say, number 6, if I already set this up, that my tracking is too high up? Am I centered in the frame, my face? I'm about 10 feet away from the camera talking to a microphone. I don't have to yell. And I could walk over, you know, we're not going to get the next updated tracking into the camera because these cameras already got the same chip the new camera's going to get, but you're never going to get that newer face tracking in there or extra low light. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. I'm waiting for somebody to say, hey, you know, the Luna Ultra is water resistant. I haven't heard anything about that yet. That people getting that wet. Is it IPX4 rated? Is it where you could just splash water on the whole thing and not worry about it? Or is it like the Pocket 3, the Muse, things like that? On my previous vlogs, right? In the wee hours we came here, we got the fountains running. Yeah, so the water's going and it's running. No rainbows showing. Let's go check out, see if anything's flying. Got a heli taking off. A little windy. Hard for me to see on the screen, but he's looping, flipping. Hung around for a minute just to see. And good flying there for sure. Let's go head down to the beach and see what's happening. High tide going. And the sirens are constantly running. Come on down, get some sun, get some jumping. Well, I'm heading on back, had my fun, had my share, had my talk, had my ride up ahead. So, what I'm saying here is, I'm going to enjoy what I got and continue on forward. And I always talk about cameras, what I like and dislike. It's up to me to decide if it's right for my arsenal. I think the Muse does just fine. I just got it. I had a Pocket 3, so I'm still going to continue to use my Muse. If I want to shoot 8K, I got the Ace Pro 2. If I want to use a gimbal, I got a gimbal. I could put the Ace Pro 2 on it. If I want the Insta360 look, I got an Insta360 camera. I do love the look of 235-1. And I wish the Muse had that. And the funny thing is, I'll have the Insta360 free-framing selfie stick back in my arsenal. Man, that thing is back-ordered like you cannot believe. And the fish, what do you need? A Luna Ultra. Maybe a solar eclipse when it comes out in 2027. So look for the Insta360 Solar Eclipse Ultra. Later.